Hi folks, back out again. I'm Watto and I wander about. That's Kim and she stumbles about. Where'd you go?
Daniel.
Mental. We've come out to blow away the cobwebs again because I have to say I am hanging. We had a little bit of a social last night, so we come to blow the cobwebs away. We're going to walk along the River Frome, which isn't far from the Stroud Water Navigation. Similar area to a little film we did a few weeks back with me dad.
Hello, Dad.
But we're going to walk along the river this time, not the canal. Just blow away the cobwebs. Let's go. Woo, well, it is very windy again. Last couple of walks we've been on seem to be battered by the wind. This is the bit of the Stroud Canal that we came along a few weeks back, but we're going to walk up here along the Frome. I just want to give a little shout out to one of the subscribers who I know is probably still watching. And if you are Cohen and you're still watching, give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below, mate, just to let me know you're still there. If you are, keep wandering, mate. Wooded bit alongside the Frome, which is there. It really does look beautiful. It's a beautiful day, just very cold, very windy. Good to see a few signs of things beginning to spring back into life, much like myself. Now this path's a bit of a challenge. Left or right? Whew, I'm through. Now then, let's see what happens here. Well done. Disadvantage of having very short legs. There are lots of drainage ditches all across this land, so you've not only got the River Frome, but there's loads of ditches as well, I guess for irrigation or, you know, just to supply the land with water for farmers and what have you. And lots of sluice gates as well. I don't know if you can just see that behind me. They've fed from the river just to help irrigate the land and stuff. I'm not quite sure what Kim's doing here. I'm guessing another photo. Better go and rescue her, I suppose. Mad windy again, but the views we're getting across the fields and that are absolutely spectacular. I'd say breathtaking, but we're already having our breath taken away by the wind. Basically from Saul Junction, where I took you the other week, and I'm going to walk out towards the main road, which is where, funnily enough, there's a pub. We've enjoyed our little walk, haven't we?
Yes, we have.
Brilliant. Hope you have. It's certainly sorted the hangover out. If you've liked it, smash the like button, drop us a little comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye, Kim.
Goodbye, Kim.
Bye, Kim.